Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Welcome, future overseers. In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout Shelter, a fun and engaging simulation game. To start your vault, you will need to build essential rooms like a power generator, a diner for food, and a water treatment plant. Remember to assign your dwellers to rooms that match their highest special stats. For example, a dweller with high strength should work in the power generator. Keeping a steady supply of power, food, and water is crucial for your vault's survival and to keep your dwellers happy and healthy. Effective dweller management is key to a thriving vault. Each dweller possesses 7 special stats: strength, perception, endurance, charisma, intelligence, agility, and luck. Assigning dwellers to rooms that match their highest stat, such as a high-intelligence dweller in a laboratory, significantly boosts production. You can also train dwellers in specific training rooms to improve these stats. Don't forget to equip them with outfits and weapons found in the wasteland or crafted, as these items provide valuable stat bonuses and improve their combat effectiveness. Beyond your vault's walls lies the wasteland, a source of valuable resources. Send dwellers out to explore, where they can find caps, powerful weapons, unique outfits, and gain experience. Always equip your explorers with your best gear to ensure their survival against dangers. Inside your vault, be ready for random incidents like radroach infestations, fires, or even raider attacks. Placing dwellers with high strength and agility in your initial rooms can create a strong defense, quickly neutralizing threats before they spread deeper into your vault. As your vault grows, consider advanced strategies for optimal management. Merging 2 or 3 identical rooms of the same level creates a larger, more efficient room, boosting production significantly. You can also increase your population by breeding dwellers, which is essential for unlocking new room types and expanding your workforce. Always strive to complete objectives, as they reward you with caps, lunchboxes containing rare items, and Nuka-Cola Quantum. Eventually, you will unlock advanced resource rooms like Nuka-Cola bottlers and garden rooms, offering superior production compared to basic diners and water treatment plants.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.